Well, well, well. Hello again. This is the third stint of the day one at Newcastle 12-hour endurance race for SEK. Once again, highlights for the third stint. I'll keep it fairly quick, fairly simple commentary. Not as much passing this stint. That's why, once again, the video is a little bit shorter. We're only about 12 minutes. We did have a little bit of issues with our Nassu panel. So in another stint with one of the other drivers in the team, he had a little bit of a kerfuffle with another kart, and I didn't see the incident, but I think he said that they went over the top of our kart. Once again, we had a lot of bad luck with a lot of things in this race, so the result we got was phenomenal. But what happened was I don't know if it was the tyre or if it was the side pod or if it was some part of the other kart, but when it's hit our kart or it's gone over the top of our kart or whatever it's done to our kart, after it's made contact, it's taken out a pin in the front of the Nassu panel, which keeps the Nassu panel attached to the chassis. So throughout this stint, you'll see me trying to adjust it. It just keeps falling out of that little I don't know what you call it, like the little pin attachment for the Nassu panel keeps falling out of that groove because it has no pin to keep it intact. We were able to sort it out, which did help us, because I think I cut the audio when I saw the Nassu panel slipping down, but I was afraid we were going to get a meatball flag. Meatball flag is just it's just a black flag with an orange circle in the center. When I was a kid, that's what we call it, the meatball flag. It's just a flag that means that there's a mechanical issue with your kart. You have to come into the pits to fix that issue. With these kind of races, the endurance races, you can do that. You can come into the pits, you can put your car on the trolley and fix it, or you can come into the pits and there's a little fixing area where you can fix it. If it's just a little quick fix like this, you can see here that the Nassu panel has slid down. So you'll see that it was difficult as well, because when it slid down, I couldn't get a proper brake. Like it would rub onto my shoes. Oh no, this is the best part. This is the best part here. This is amazing. So should I stop? I might pause so you can hear my reaction here, but
holy fucking shit! I was past fucking 5 carts on the back straight!
like, I mean, come on. Did you see that? Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. I don't know. All I know is uno, dos, tres. There's like 5 carts in one straight. See, there you go. So I just quick little fix. It just pushes straight into the groove. But without that pin there, it just falls straight back out. Well, no, it doesn't fall out, it just slides down. But yeah, like as those 5 passes, it was so smooth because I had that good exit off the chicane. Because I had that good exit and everyone was held up by 1 or 2 carts having a poor exit. I was just on the inside. I was thinking, please do not come on the inside, because some of the slower carts started going off the racing line, which where I was off the racing line. So I was like, please do not go off the racing line, because I'm right here. I was going to go on the grass regardless. If they were going to come over, I was going on the grass. But that would have been horrible, because if I did that, then I would have been on the ripple strip, then I would have been airborne, and that's the race done. So Had to check my pants, had to check my undies after that, make sure there was no brown streaks. That one scared me, but it was thrilling. Like, you could hear my reaction after. I was like, oh my god. Yeah. So we were able to. We just had to put duct tape on it because we couldn't properly fix it. It would have cost way too much time. So we put some duct tape over it as a quick fix, and then we're straight back out and had no issues after that. But enjoy these few minutes. Like I said, it's not a big stint. Well, it is a big stint, but there was a safety car, I think. That's what cut most of this this stint down, because obviously I'm not going to show the safety car. It's just us going slow in a circle. But yeah, hopefully you enjoy the passes in this stint. Once again, if you enjoy yourself and continue coming back, then please subscribe. There's just going to be more content and entertainment exactly the same as this in the next videos. Definitely share the videos around to people who you might think would like it as well. I got nothing to hide. I'm just an old guy sharing his wisdom and entertainment. So if you get some knowledge out of the lines that I take or some of the stuff that I speak, then I'm doing my job. If you're also liking it and enjoying the videos, I'm also doing my job there as well as an entertainer. Yep. So enjoy the rest of the video, guys, and I'll see you. It'll be day 2 with the 4th stint. Peace.
He got me. Copy. Copy. Yeah, good. Alright, coming in. Am I getting fuel?